Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating custom themes on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization Settings, select Themes. Up near the top of Themes, click Use Custom Theme. Now click Background to choose the background for your theme. Once you are finished, click the back arrow at the top left to continue. Next, you can choose the colors for your theme. After that, you can choose the default sounds and then mouse cursor options. Click Save once you're finished and give your theme a name. Your theme will now be saved down below and you can switch to it at any time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.